Hey guys, James Whitcomb here from Sydney, New South Wales. I'm 24 years old. I joined Alex Ryan's Amazon program roughly a year ago. Yeah, I think it was November last year, so almost coming up to a year now. I joined for a career change, really. I just didn't want to do what I was in. I left school, I went and did a trade. I wasn't happy in that for the 6 years that I did it. I really wanted to something different, and I've always wanted to work for myself. When I saw Alex Ryan's program, I thought this is a great opportunity to do something in selling online and on Amazon. And so yeah, I jumped at it, and it's been one of my best decisions I've ever made. Super happy with the program, and it's going really, really well. When I joined in November last year, I went up to the Gold Coast for one of the weekend seminars, I suppose. That was one of the most educational sessions I've ever had. Not only learning about Amazon and launching products online, but eBay, and even putting things into auction houses. And since then, it's nearly been a year, and I've been basically doing all that, launching online, as well as doing auction houses as well. It's been life-changing. I really enjoy it. It's something I love, and I feel very privileged to have joined Amazon program. So that's why I joined, basically for a career change. Why did I choose Alex Ryan's Amazon program over others? Well, firstly, I think it was the first program that actually came up in one of the advertising streams that I saw. I clicked the link. I spoke to Jane, who is one of my coaches and mentors, I suppose, throughout the journey I've been on for the last year. And it was very clear that they knew what they were doing, and I think they were just the right company to be with and the right people to be surrounding yourself around. Throughout the whole year that I've been with them, it's been very straightforward. They've been a great help, and yeah, I've really enjoyed it. I think what I liked about the training, especially when I first started, was the conferences, meeting and greeting with people that are just starting out. It's great to meet those people. Great to meet and greet with your coaches. And people who have had a lot of success with Amazon and selling online, and just being able to engage with a group of people that have had a lot of success in this field. I think that was the best part, and being able to just send text messages to people when you have a question about supplier issues, talking to them about your freight costs or just whatever it may be. Throughout the entire year that I've been a part, they've answered all my questions. And there really hasn't been an issue. I've really enjoyed the support around me, and it's been really enjoyable having them there, and it's been comforting knowing that I can just at a click of a button just ask them a question, and they'll answer it. It's great. 100%, I'd recommend this training to anyone who has the patience and is willing enough to start an online business. It is a difficult thing to do, and it maybe something completely different, but this training is great. The support around you is great, and I can tell you from experience being in it for a year. I'm only 24 years old, and I've started doing something that is going to be life-changing, and it's just going to be an amazing business to be doing. I love it. It's great fun. I enjoy it. And just having people around you as well that are doing a very similar thing to you is great to have. And the training obviously is amazing. All the conferences 100% are amazing. So anyone looking to join, I recommend this course.